Hello everyone, and welcome back to Vegan with Soul. I hope you're having a wonderful week so far. I know I am. It's been a great Sunday evening. We had a nice walk. And after you go for a walk, what do you want? You want watermelon, at least in the summertime. So what do I have for you today? A watermelon salad. It is so delicious, simple to make, full of fruits, which means it is definitely full of antioxidants, which we need. So delicious. I'm gonna give it a taste. So what am I doing? I am showing you the end before the beginning. Let's see what this tastes like. It's so good. This is so delicious. Stay tuned to see how I'll put this watermelon salad together. You don't want to miss it. Guys, so what do you think about the watermelon salad? Did you think that all the ingredients will work well together? I did. They're so delicious together. And the radishes gave me a nice little peppery finish, which was amazing. And that reduction that I made with the balsamic vinegar and a little bit of the pomegranate vinegar, on point, guys. You hear me? It brought everything together. So I had sweetness, I had a little peppery, I had some crunch, I had some sour. Let me tell you something. It hit all my palate profiles, okay? I enjoy making this salad, and I hope you make it. If you do, leave me a comment down below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you did not see the video last Sunday about the vegan restaurant, it was a Chinese vegan restaurant. Guys, you need to go. It's in Charlotte. It's nothing but an hour ride from Winston-Salem, hour and 15 minutes, give or take a few. But it's worth going to. That was an amazing dinner. So guys, thank you so much for watching Vegan with Soul. And I'll catch you next time in my kitchen. Bye.